night sky so clear. Books open, pages near. Thoughts whisper soft and low. Time moves but feels so slow. Pen scribbled dreams and fears. Coffee mug and music cheers. Eyes drift and spirits fly. In the moonlight we reside. Quiet conversations feed the soul. In our minds we find control. Lo-fi beats beneath the stars. Calm and peace where you are. Windows open, cool breeze flows. Lost in notes where knowledge grows. Heartbeat steady, moments real. In this calm we start to heal. Light and shadows gently blend. Hours passing like a friend. In this place where calm prevails. Every heartbeat tells a tale. Quiet conversations feed the song. In our minds we find control. Lo-fi beats beneath the stars. Calm and peace where you are. Late night sky so clear. Books open, pages near. Thoughts whisper soft and low. Time moves but feels so slow. Pen scribble dreams and fears. Coffee mug and music cheers. Eyes drift and spirits fly. In the moonlight we reside. Quiet conversations feed the soul. In our minds we find control.
Late night sky so clear. Books open, pages near. Thoughts whisper soft and low. Time moves but feels so slow. Pen scribble dreams and fears. find control. Lo-fi beats beneath the stars. Calm and peace where you are. Quiet conversations feed the soul. In our minds we find control. Lo-fi beats beneath the stars. Calm and peace where you are. Night falls slowly, stars in the sky. Books open wide, quiet fills the air. Pages turning softly, mind begins to drift. Words on the paper, thoughts start to lift.
whispers in the dark. Focus is my island, rain ignites a spark. Under dim lamp glow, dreams become alive. Watch the knowledge flow, in the quiet I thrive. Midnight thoughts they wander, in the still of night. Calmly I will ponder, till the morning light. Quiet room, no sound at all. Pages turn, the nights fall. Soft light by the desk. Thoughts drift, give my mind rest. Raindrops tap on the pane. Pens glide, minds untamed. No rush, just the flow. Words come and go. Calm waves carry me. Comfort and simplicity. Study time in gentle tones. Found peace in being alone. Clock ticks a steady beat. Time slows in this seat. Books open, a lighter load. Journey down a quiet road. Notes scribbled on the side. Knowledge pure, nothing to hide. Slow beats fill the air. Time to think, sit instead. Calm waves carry me. Comfort and simplicity. Study time in gentle tones. Found peace in being alone. Quiet room, no sound at all. Pages turn, the nights fall. Soft light by the desk. Thoughts drift, give my mind rest. Raindrops tap on the pane. Pens glide, minds untamed. No rush, just the flow. Words come and go. Calm waves carry me. Comfort and simplicity. Study time in gentle tones. Found peace in being alone. Clock ticks a steady beat. Time slows in the seat. Books open, a lighter load. gentle words. Thoughts take flight like birds. Calm down now. Let the rhythm guide somehow. Feel the peace, it's all around. In these quiet nights we're found. Clock ticks a steady beat. Waves of sound make it sweet. Find the flow in the space. Let the worries be erased. Gentle breeze whispers here. Melody so pure and clear. Cup of tea, hands embrace. In this moment find your place. Calm down now. Let the rhythm guide somehow. Feel the peace, it's all around. In these quiet nights we're found. Calm down now. Let the rhythm guide somehow. Feel the peace, it's all around. In these quiet nights we're found. Lights low, drapes closed now. Quiet world, slow it down. Soft notes, they hum away, dreaming of a brighter day. Books open, pages turn, mind soaks in all it learns. Pen scribbles gentle words, thoughts take flight like birds. Calm down now. Let the rhythm guide somehow. Feel the peace, it's all around. In these quiet nights we're found. Clock ticks a steady beat. Waves of sound make it sweet. Find the flow in this space. Let the worries be erased. Gentle breeze whispers here. Melody so pure and clear. Cup of tea, hands embrace. In this moment find your place. Calm down now. Let the rhythm guide somehow. Feel the peace, it's all around. In these quiet nights we're found. Clock ticks a steady beat. Waves of sound make it sweet. Find the flow in this space. Let the worries be erased. Gentle breeze whispers here. Melody so pure and clear. Cup of tea, hands embrace. In this moment find your place.